Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to be bringing an update on the painting of my '69 Camaro Z28, and I just want to do a quick video to show that we're in the last stages of preparing the car for the final paint for the final bodywork and paint. So some of the parts that you see here, we're just finishing up the final blocking and the final body work that needs to be done on each one of the body panels that are off the car. Now in the background you'll see the body of the car, the main body of the car, wrapped up in plastic, and that's all ready to go. It's all ready to go into the paint booth. And these final pieces that I'm showing here, we're just doing the final steps. So here's the main body. It's all ready to go. We have plastic over it to keep the contaminants off of it, so that when we wheel it into the paint booth, we'll do one last wipe down with the tack cloth, and then it's ready to start the painting process. And I'll be doing a video on that painting process as well, probably in the next few days. So here is some of the last pieces that we're getting ready, finishing up. I'm working on the grill there, and Johnny's working on the hood in the background. And in this scene here, we've got a handful of body panels that we're just finishing up, but at the time that I'm recording this voiceover, it's all done and ready to go. And towards the end of this video, I'll show you the final steps before it goes into the paint booth. So again, I'm just finishing up preparing the grill here, and then after this, we're moving the hood over, putting it in line with the other parts that are all finished. And after we finish each piece, we wrap it up with paper, just like the main body of the car, so none of the contaminants get on the panels before they go into the paint booth. And we wrap them with tape because there's a lot of air hoses and everything going on, and it could blow the paper off. So we kind of wrap paper around there. And it's always good to do, because when the panels are all ready to go into the booth, you don't want any contaminants on them before that. So, and we're moving the driver's side fender over to a spot where we're gonna put the last coat of primer on it. And I'm just finishing the grill here again. The grill is brand new, by the way. The old grill was missing from the car when I bought it, so I'm just scuffing it up and getting it prepared for the primer and the paint. And then I'll tape up the grill portion when we're ready to paint it. So, and here Johnny is putting the last coat of primer on the driver's side fender. Just kind of showing the priming process here. And then I'm finishing up the preparation for the spoiler. And as some of you know that are familiar with these cars, the ends of the spoiler are exposed when you open the trunk lid. So I removed the little cover here and got all the surface rust off and primed it. And now I'm putting it back, and then we'll prime this section because that'll get painted the blue when the car gets painted. So this portion of the spoiler has to look nice because, again, when the trunk lid's open, you can see that. And those studs, the rusty studs that you see out there on the spoiler, I'm going to replace all those with new ones. And I'm just kind of throwing a thin coat of primer on there so that when the painter is ready to paint everything, he'll reprime all of this and before he paints the blue. So then now we're down to just this one fender here and the driver's door, I believe it is. And he's just doing some of the final blocking on the driver's door. And after this video was shot, we kind of touched up the passenger side fender a little bit. And then as you can see here, all the other parts are all done and complete, ready to move into the paint booth, all wrapped up in line and ready to go. So we got the one passenger side door here, or no, that's the fender, sorry. And then we got the hood, and under this wrapping are the cowl cover, the lower valance, and the header panel, and miscellaneous other parts. And then here's the grill here. And then the driver's side fender. And so the painter will roll the main body into the booth first and paint that. And then once that's done, then we'll hang all of these up and paint them separately. And then here's the passenger side fender all finished and getting wrapped up. So that's going to do it for this short video. I just wanted to kind of bring you up to date on the progress of the painting of the car. And in the next video here in the next couple of days, I'll be showing the whole painting process, and we're probably going to be spending a couple of days during the painting process. And as you can see in the background there, that big orange, those big orange doors is the paint booth. So we'll be rolling everything in there and painting it, and I will be doing the next video that I'll be doing on this car will be showing the entire process of the painting. So as always, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe, like, and share, and hit the bell for post notifications, and I'll see you on the next video. Again, thank you so much for watching.